Traders, welcome back to the Road to 20 PA video series. Today is day 79, almost at 80. We do have profit on 2 of the 5 eval accounts, which is good. We did take a loss yesterday, but we are now back. We're gonna start trading on a fresh eval number 42. So our goal is to get profit on all 5 of them today, even if it is only a little bit. But let's get started. We got more like a trading range like structure coming into the open. Market just opened. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. If we can break above the EMA and get a higher low setup, I'd be willing to take that. Market did just open. We do have news at what? News at 10 and 1. So, and 3. Looks like we're breaking the bottom of that trading range now, for sure. Downtrend type day? Question mark? All trends played out now. All trends played out. Let's see if we can get a re-enter into this trading range. I want to see a break above the EMA. That would be optimal. Optimal trading. But it does look like it wants to work lower. Again, what I'm looking at here is we got 2 legs down. Just like this. You got 2 legs down. This first leg got a break and new extreme. The break did correct to the top of this leg though, so definitely more like a trading range. But all trends played out. We might have a bigger downtrend. Let's wait for it to develop a little bit. see what we're dealing with here. See what we're dealing with. It is looking like we want to work a lower. Pushing right through the open of day. We should get a bounce here, but I guess bears are too strong. I guess that is our sign to draw our bigger downtrend. Oh yeah. What the heck, man? Nothing even held. Pushing to the EMA on the $10K tick chart. See, we're finally correcting back up to that EMA. We could get a nice little second entry short here, right at EMA, right at the open of day too, if it bounces off. Could be a nice little trade. Nice little area to take some trades in. big red engulfing bar. Looks like we found support.
Order filled.
And we're in. See if we can get the scalp real quick. Looking at a second entry short here. There was some resistance here, I felt like, and we're at trend line, and we're at EMA, and we're at open a day. Lots of key entry points to work off of here, I feel like.
Target filled.
It's one. It's too low now. It's good for one though. Good for one. Again, from these lows, you have first entry short, pullback, second entry short. It is really stacked, but even if you play it as a range, you're at these range highs. So you can sell after this bar attempted to work higher and worked back into this downtrend and below the resistance. Pretty nice sell opportunity there. You don't want to sell into this resistance though, because we do have a double bottom with this level, so we might start ranging out right here, or the downtrend might continue, but we shall see. Am I right? We shall see. That trend line held perfectly, so. If we get a lower high confirmation at this trend line, definitely be a nice confirmation, because if it was a trading range, it'd work back to these highs right here. I'm actually going to draw it out real quick. Draw it out. If it is a trading range, it's going to work back to these highs, if not the EMA. But if it's a downtrend, you're going to get a nice lower high right here at this trend line. $45 ticks till close. Lower high triggered, there it is. Just like we said, we should expect a break of this bottom of this little micro range. There it is. So we are more of the downtrend. Downtrend's still going strong. You just want to be careful about selling there because you are selling right into this support level. Bouncing off 200 EMA. Nice little downtrend to start the morning with. Oh, sorry. My bad. We have first entry short, pullback, second entry short, breakout, pullback pattern, possibly. It's a pretty strong bull bar though. Seller should come in at this level. Closed outside the trend line. So now this downtrend has a chance to play out. See how it closes.
Order filled. Target filled.
Good for one scalp. Could probably get another one. Oh, we're at this resistance level now. Good for one scalp real quick. That was second entry short from this low. First entry short pullback, second entry short. If you extend this range over, we were at the EMA and we were also at the resistance level. So you knew sellers are going to come in. This downtrend needed new extreme, so we should reach the low of day right here. I think I did enter a little bit early on that one. I probably should have waited for it to really start taking off. It looks like we're going to get the downtrend to play out right here. So you have downtrend, break, new extreme. Really quick break and new extreme actually. Although it didn't quite get there, but Sometimes an attempt at a new extreme is plenty. So let's see what the EMA wants to do now. It's all about what this EMA does now, or this resistance level, to be honest. Let me extend this over. Because according to price action rules, when you have a downtrend that gets a break and new extreme, even though, like I said, it didn't quite get the new extreme, but sometimes an attempt is enough, you can expect reversal or a little bit of correction. And usually after you get a strongish downtrend that was working lower and it plays out, you might just go sideways for a little bit. So let's see what the market wants to do here. EMA held. Interesting. Here comes the reversal, it looks like. First entry short, second entry short. The fact that the second entry short doesn't get new extreme is a good sign for the bulls. Because usually first entry short pullback, second entry short is a great setup that'll create a lot of momentum to the downside, and usually you'll break the previous low. But not this time. That's a strong rejection from that level, so I think people are confused. We are wedging a little bit. Let's try to be a little patient in this area. Let's be a little patient. Although we might get this new low right now. Damn. Didn't get filled there. Don't want to push it much lower than that, so we're just going to take our medicine. This is the new extreme that's going to be reached now. It's a pretty decent setup too, because if you draw the shortened trends, you have like shortened uptrend gets break new extreme. It's kind of like a two leg up scenario. So you have first leg up, pull back, second leg up, and this breaks the new high, and then we instantly reverse back to the downside. So that is a perfect correction phase playing out, and now we're getting the downtrend to play out. I was about to say, Usually when a trend gets a break, it takes a little bit longer for it to play out and get that new extreme than just this. So you really don't really want to expect this to be the new extreme, even though it's just an attempt. You want to wait for something more clear for sure. But this doesn't even just look like a new extreme's being reached. It looks like the trend's continuing. It's because of these EMA holds. It looks really clean. We'll see what EMA does here. We do have to pause looking for shorts though, because downtrend didn't get break new extreme. So it all comes down to what the EMA does, or obviously if we keep just falling down, we would extend the downtrend a little bit. Ooh, that piano is very soothing. Very soothing piano. I just swallowed coffee in the weirdest way. Oh, it tasted awful. That was really weird. Kind of looks to me like this downtrend is going to continue, but you don't want to pull the trigger too soon. I've definitely been punished for thinking a trend was going to continue after a break new extreme, and then it just reverses. Time is it? We do have news in 3 minutes, so definitely don't want to be entering in anything. We got business inventories and retail inventories X auto. Medium impact news. But we shall see, we shall see. What the hell? The Bank of Japan's interest rates is negative 0.10% for March 19th, 2024. That's interesting. The Central Bank of the Russian Federation interest rates is 16%. I'm about to move to Russia. Wait, is that good or bad? I don't know. News in 1 minute. News in half of a minute, 30 seconds. News any minute now. My house is kind of cold. News in 3, 2, 1. There it is. There it is. Uh-oh. What's happening? After this, our next news announcement is at 1 p.m. and 1:15, so we have plenty of time. Mr. Waller is speaking today, so I'm not sure what that is going to do, but we shall see. My nose is stuffy today. I need to go for a run. Another range? What's going on here? Oh. We need to see what EMA does here. Revolutions. You follow? Some nice morning scotch. It's the best way to get the blood flowing, the trades flowing. Just alcohol first thing in the morning. Looks like we're kind of ranging out again. I want to see what happens at this EMA. That's what I'm really curious about. Because downtrend didn't get break, new extreme. It looks pretty clean to me. But EMA held 1, 2, maybe 3, 4 times before that. So people could still be thinking bearish for sure. But you don't want to be too aggressive. You definitely want to see this EMA hold strongly before. I wouldn't enter in anything too close to the EMA. Because we might break through it. We are up $100 today. Let's go. Crisp Benjamin. Right in the pocket. Well, not really. We're on an eval account, but soon we'll be PA funded. Soon it will be the day where we trade 5 PAs. I don't think we've ever had more than 1 PA at once on this in this video series. Or now it's a streaming series, I guess, but on this quest, we've never had more than 1 PA at once, I don't believe, so hopefully we can start moving the needle a little bit. Looks like we're ranging out once again. We might still break lower. If we break lower again, I'm gonna extend this downtrend maybe. Morning, man. Good morning, Mr. Harry. How are we doing today? Any trades? Any exciting news? Oh, we're breaking lower. Let's extend this trend real quick. Because I think the bears want their say in the market today. Oh yeah, look at how nicely the bottoms fit on this trend line. You got touch here, touch here, touch here. Looks pretty good to me. Hopefully we don't go overshooting now. As soon as I draw the trend line, we start overshooting. Sounds just about right. I'm still interested to see what this EMA does because we could still reverse to the upside, possibly. but you never know. We are past all of our news items, so should be good for a little bit now, till 1. I might have to throw a hoodie on. It's cold here. What's the temperature? I don't think it's that cold. It's 53. It's not that bad. But my house is cold. I think it's colder in my house than it is outside. I'm gonna grab a hoodie real quick. I need my hoodie. Oh my god, push up. What the heck? See what this EMA does. I'm actually interested. I look like a bum now. I got hoodies and I got this baggy ass hoodie on and some sweatpants. I look like a pure bum. Unfortunately, not Forex markets have been moving weird. It's all good, man. We wait for our opportunity to strike. Ugh. I do want to see what this EMA does, though. I'm very interested. Alright. Nice and comfy. I want to see a nice second entry long here. I think that'd be a good place to go short. If the EMA holds, again, we want to be careful because if we delete this trend, the shorter one up here did get break new extreme, so. Ba-da-ba-ba. It's a good initial sign. EMA and resistances here from these bars, so it might be a little bit tricky to tell which one is doing the work of the sellers coming in. Because if it's just this resistance and the market does still want to go higher, the sellers are going to come in initially and they're just going to push it through after that. So gonna be a little bit patient here. Wait for a nice second entry. I thought this was going to be a trading range day. At open, we just saw this. That's it. I had this trading range drawn. I was like, oh, we're about to make some bank in this range. But as soon as, I want to say like 10 minutes after market open, it just plummeted. It looks like we're breaking through the EMA. If we go above this 200 EMA, I am probably going to delete this bigger trend. Although it looks like it's gonna hold. Trend line. Sellers coming in at that trend line really nicely. But are they getting trapped or not? Is the real question. Looks like they were. We're about to close outside this trend line, so. Very interesting. I think this might be more what we're working with. You have downtrend, break, new extreme, and then the reversal to the upside. I think that makes more sense in my brain. But I still want to see a retest of the EMA before I do anything too rash. Downtrend played out. Boom. Just like that. Hopefully we get some good movement up from this point on. We're red on the day, but we are coming or trying to go back up to open right now, so it's always nice to close higher than where the market opened, right? I'm wearing a growl fit right now. I got gray on gray. It's not a good look for the stream, for the brand. I need to buy a suit so I look official. I do want to buy a suit and just wear it when I stream. I feel like it would. I feel like it would have to make my trading better, right? I don't think there'd be anything worse than losing 5 PAs in a suit and then looking at the camera and just seeing yourself wearing a suit when you just lost all your money. I think that'd be pretty funny. Here's that correction we were looking for. It's just a matter of how big it's going to be. Pause. Looking for maybe a 2-in-1 here. Failed second entry short and a second entry long at the EMA would be a optimal setup. We have first entry short right here. But it looks like it's going to make a new high. Yep. It's a good sign for the bulls, though, that that correction only did that much. Was only able to get that low. Still want to see something more concrete. See if we can get a nice EMA touch here. Ruben, good morning. How are you doing? Any exciting news? Big events? Went from minus 1K to minus 200. That's awesome. I know exactly what you did. Let me guess. You went long on the opening range. Good guess? Let me know. Because I was thinking the same thing. And I was surprised when we got this downtrend to start the day off with. Nah, oh. That's what I was thinking at the beginning of the day, but I'm glad you brought it back. Oh yeah, you correct. Dude, it looked good. I thought we were gonna reach those range highs. I thought we were gonna be in a range all day today, and it was gonna be a cool day. But we just instantly broke to the downside, so But it looks like we're reversing back up now, which is a cool sign. Yeah, I thought that opening range looked really good, actually. But thank God I didn't scale in. True. Dude, I really do like this strat, just because on account number 40 at the top, we're up 40 bucks on it. We were up way more, but we took one loss on it, and we're still green on the account, which is just... And that loss was the scale-in, too. So, if you just are really careful, you can limit your losses really well on this strategy. I do like it a lot. I've been scaling in too early. That's what I've been doing. So I'm working on not scaling in that early. I want this thing to correct back down to the EMA, but we're kind of just ripping. Yeah, the amount of times I got saved by the market is insane. One time I was down 1.5k. Damn. It's always nice when the market is on your side, right? But then when the market's not on your side, things tend to get a little manic. This is some pretty picture perfect price action though. You got this downtrend working lower, you get the break, you get the new extreme. Granted, the new extreme was pretty it was more strong than I would like it to, because we pushed down really hard and then we ranged and then we pushed down even a little bit more again, but then we do eventually get that reversal to the upside. So comes that EMA touch. 90 ticks till close. We're definitely going to close outside this trend that we got drawn. So finally got a break of this really shortened uptrend. And let me tell you, during those 1.5k, it really wasn't. I bet it wasn't. Nice second entry long would be really nice right here, because I am expecting this uptrend to become a bigger uptrend after this correction phase. Just because of how big this downtrend was, you can expect something similar to the upside. In my opinion. And we're above EMA on 10k tick chart. We do only have one leg down on the 10k tick chart, so you might get another leg down. There's only one leg down on here too. You have one leg down, could be a two-legged correction, another leg down. So instant engulfing bar, almost, not quite. First entry long triggered. I want to see this EMA get tested, man, but the bulls are too strong. The bulls are dancing. Oh wait, there we go. First entry long triggered. Hopefully we can get a touch at the EMA and get a nice second entry long. It's actually at both EMAs. EMAs just crossed. Convergence. EMA convergence. This could be a good one, although this is more like one leg down as opposed to a legitimate second entry long. This second entry short was really nice right here. Yeah. First entry short, pull back. Second entry short, great signal bar. EMA, this is pure Thomas Wade. Thomas Wade strat. I wonder if that man's uploaded. Finding some resistance here? Question mark? This is about to be second entry long, but do I really want to take a second entry long right here? I don't know. I don't know if I can. Especially now, it's moved too far up. I like that close. I want to see it bounce off the EMA, not just this support. That's not even that confirmed. It's a great close. I will take a long over a green signal bar right here. You got first entry long pullback, second entry long with this uptrend expecting to get a new extreme. And there's also support right here and this EMA. Try to wait for this bar to close. I think buyers will keep coming in at the EMA, push prices a little bit higher. The battle at the EMA. Holy guac. That's a terrible close for my idea. Pushed right through. The Bears win? That's weird. Got me rethinking my entire analysis. Second entry long triggered below EMA though. Hopefully this can push above and then we get a higher low confirmation. But that was a really strong push below the EMA. This could be a failed second entry long reversal pattern. But usually when you get a leg this strong, man, you're going to get another leg, or at least another attempt to get to this new high. So it could go either way at the moment. The Bears are out for blood. Yes, they are. There's that push we were looking for. Close above EMA. Let's see if we can get a higher low. It might just take off. I want to see this bar retest the EMA. I don't want to just go long right here because it could be a really good trap bar for the Bears if you're not careful. Play it a little bit more patiently, but it looks like it's just gonna go. But I'm telling you, if you got a retest higher low confirmation, that'd be shmoney. I feel like you never really want to enter in when a bar pushes like super strongly through EMA like that because you could get really quick retracements. In my opinion. Although I do watch a YouTuber, his name is Penguins. He only trades off of strong pushes through the EMA. And he has a pretty high win rate, so.
Order filled.
Alright, and we're filled. Let's see if we can work higher. I liked how this bar closed. And now this bar was continuing to work higher. I think we're going to get a new extreme of this uptrend for sure. And we pushed above the old support level, so.
Target filled.
There we go. It's good for one. It might still try to correct one more time back down. What the heck? The music just like reset randomly. That's weird. Again, you got to be careful about the number of legs you're trading in a correction phase. This is just one leg down, so you can expect another red leg before the push phase continues, but still waiting for that higher low confirmation. Looks like we might just get new extreme though. Strong push down at these resistance levels. See if we can get trigger below this bar. This will trap a lot of shorters, so. But the bears might be strong enough to push it to new extreme right here. This is, again, first entry long pullback, second entry long, and then if a higher low forms, it's a pretty decent setup, I think. We still need new extreme of this uptrend, so. Looks like they're trying to get to this new extreme right here. It'd be really nice to see a huge rejection right here. Bar closes 58. Couldn't get that huge rejection we were looking for, so now we're just gonna have to wait for this to play out. Again, just like we said, you usually get these two market moves in pairs of two, so you do have to be careful about trading this area because this is just a small correction in this correction that's in this uptrend, if that makes sense. I explained that pretty bad, but measured leg down, shortened downtrend plays out, or at least attempts to, with a pretty symmetrical looking pair of two legs down. And now, if your eyes are trained to see the pairs of two, you recognize that now this leg is by itself and you need another leg up. But we have been working lower all day, so it could just continue to plummet. You never really know. This is now retracing most of this move, so might have to switch up our bias a little bit. See how much bulls can come in, triggering above this bar. It's also at maybe support right here, so maybe some people think this is a good buy. Who knows? See what this EMA does. Could be more of like a trading range type thing. We out here chillaxing. Push above the EMA, high or low would be nice as well. Although these highs are kind of scary. Bear bias gonna sell at or close at close to resistance. Yeah, I would agree with that. A sell up here wouldn't be that bad. Be pretty good actually. We've been working lower all day. This is kind of more sideways, but definitely some bearish bias. The bears come in hard when they do. You can see right here, strong sell off. Here was a pretty strong sell off. Looks like EMA is gonna hold, so that even further solidifies the bears being strong out here. We could get a really good second entry short here as well. Looks like this EMA wants to hold pretty strongly, so oh yeah. We've already retraced like 80% of this initial move up, so the chances of it reversing back up after this being a correction is pretty unlikely now. I'm actually gonna draw the bigger range. We'll see how this works. It might be a downtrend, but What's going on here? We're just kind of floating out here. Can't tell if we're gonna work lower or if we're gonna go back to these range highs. First entry short pullback, second entry short failure. Who knows? Four viewers. So we were at one viewer, and then I went into the bathroom. When I came out, we were at 4. I guess you guys like it when I'm off camera better. That's funny. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Hope everyone's having a great day. If you don't mind, or if you don't care, drop your P&L in the chat. Love to see how you guys are doing for the day. I am up $138 and 6 cents. If you were wondering about the cents. I'm kind of interested to take a long here. Dare I say. Dare I say. This level's just holding nicely. I think we're going to go back to these range highs. But I do want to be careful because these might be more influential highs than this high. So, because last time we made this double tap, we shot down pretty strongly. But we'll see what happens. This range actually looks pretty similar to this range. This little area kind of looks like this area. You got a repeat pattern? This uptrend still needs a second leg up, so I think I'm leaning more bullish. But I'm kind of skeptical about it. See if we can break through this EMA. It's a great sign. If we get a higher low confirmation, we could take some trades here. What the heck? Seller's gonna come at 200 EMA. Let's see if we can close above the 21 EMA, which is the blue one. Uh-oh. It's a pretty good close. I want to see this EMA get retested and then hold again. So, and then we'll take some longs to the upside because I do think we're going to get a second leg up. Usually you don't get 3 legs in one direction. So you have first leg down, pull back, second leg down. Can expect to work higher. That was a good, decent little retest right there. I don't want to buy into 200 EMA and the midline. You can see sellers came in there pretty strongly. Then midline touches. Ruben put me on. This is more like the test I was wanting. If it can withstand this, it's not going to work lower for much longer. I want it to close on the EMA. Alright. It's a pretty strong push down though. I want to take a long here, but this 200 EMA is just holdings. I feel like so. I'll take one.
Order filled.
See if we can get out.
Target filled.
Nice one. Maybe get one more. Sellers come in at 200 EMA. I don't think they're that strong though. Do not think they're that strong. I think we can continue to work a little higher. I stand corrected. Jarf, what's up? Good morning, man. How about that Disney stock, Mr. Vegas? I have not looked at it. Is it really bad? Or is it really good? I'm pretty sure Disney stock was... Didn't they buy something recently? I think they bought out a company. Like they always do. How's your day going, Mr. Jeff? What you got planned? What's your P&L for the day? And how are you doing? All the important things. I want this to close pretty green. Just like that. I'll take a long here on this close.
Order filled.
Maybe I shouldn't have bought directly into the EMA. Oh god. Alright, maybe that wasn't the best move, boys. Support holding.
Target filled.
Got lucky. Alright, I'm actually going to switch over to accounts now. So I'm going to switch to account number 43. Try to take some scalps on this one. Ugh. I'm expecting it to work higher, but this 200 EMA is holding. So I'm going to pause for right now. Got that John at 86, and now it's at 112. Nice. That's awesome. They bought a majority of Epic Games, so Fortnite, yeah. Fortnite probably makes a lot of money, if I had to guess. But yeah, that's sick. Definitely great for the stock. I probably own a little bit of Disney too, but I just buy index funds. I don't buy individual stocks. Yet. So I probably own like 0.0000 like 1% of a share of Disney stock. So we both up, baby. We got a strong reversal. This EMA has been holding strongly. Both of them. Let's see what this bar does. What the heck, bro? That's a really good sign for the Bears. We should get another measured leg like the size of this green one right there at that moment. Oh, we might get a strong rejection here. Oh, yeah. This is a crazy bar. This is a crazy, crazy candlestick. $300 ticks till close. If it closes green, I'm definitely gonna go long over this one, but looks like it's struggling. Oh yeah. I'll take
Order
that.
filled.
See if you can get higher real quick.
Target filled.
Nice scalp. Probably do another one real quick too.
Order filled.
Oh, come on. The midline, I guess. Or this resistance level. We should work higher here. I mean, that's an insane hold at that level.
Target filled.
It's a nice area of the chart. A lot of bears getting trapped hard. There it is. There's that break to the upside that we were looking for. Who the fuck is selling Bill Gates? I know, seriously, man. They've tried to push it lower like 5 times. That was a good area for us though. We made a lot of scalps. They got infinite shorts in the bank. But yeah, that bar right there was insane. It was a good trap bar for sure. If the EMA holds there, it's probably not going to break for much else, you know? And I do expect us to get another leg similar to this one, at least get to this single line that I drew, if not the top of this trading range. So the horde is real. It sure is. I think I'm gonna wait for that chart to develop though. I don't like putting too many of my eggs in one basket. I know we scalped out like 3 times there. Oh, it was only twice, but I know it was another one on the other account too. So 3 times, I think. Don't want to get too greedy, you know? This is that price action that we love to see with this strategy. Just sideways, up and down. Especially right here. Look at this. Look at these wicks. Like, it's impossible to lose in either direction, I feel like, if you have big stop losses. Alright, not impossible to lose, but you know what I mean. Right. Hopefully. I'm actually going to get this bar. Draw the trend line off that bar right there. Excuse me. This trend line's holding pretty strongly. I'm tempted to buy some more, but I don't want to buy this far up into the move. Because if it is a bearish imbalance, the sellers have been coming in really hard. This thing can turn over any minute and just dump to the downside. Because usually when there's an imbalance, like there's a bearish imbalance, say, and we're correcting, these are just 2 correction legs before you get another leg like this. Another leg like this. So, and if the bears are really strong right now, this leg might not be the same size as this leg because the bears are just going to jump the gun and just sell us off real hard. So, definitely be more patient now. This thing could flip over any second. So, I'm waiting to be proven wrong in either direction. I either want to see a really strong push up or a really strong push down before I do anything else. It's a pivotal moment in the trading day. This was that resistance last time that the sellers just absolutely dumped him in at. Is it that cold out? You're bundled. It's cold. You just look poofy because of your uniform. What? Are you riding your bike? No. Oh, you're leaving? Give me a second. My girlfriend is leaving. What the hell happened? I left for 1 second. The sellers piled them in. I'm actually going to change this range to... Whoa. Can we just make a petition to have a Control Z feature on NinjaTrader, please? Jeez. I have to redraw this whole trend because it's not perfect. Actually. Can we start the Control Z petition for NinjaTrader, please? I leave for 1 second, and you guys sell off the market. Can't believe you guys. Bill Gates. Some people might think this uptrend needs a break in new extreme, but it does not, because it's the second leg in this correction phase. So this was the attempt to get new extreme for this leg. So definitely could expect reversal here. Something like a failed second entry long below the midline and EMA. That'd be nice. Or the EMA is going to hold. It might get new extreme, but you don't have to expect it. I have this grape Celsius. Never tried it before. Let's give it a tryout. Good. Very good. Some trader juice. Some liquidity. Literal liquidity, because it's a liquid. Actual liquidity on stream shown here. You saw it here first. Pretty good day so far. We're up 320 across 2 accounts, which is cool. It's all the accounts are looking good. None of them are below the starting point, so I guess that's a plus, right? Crypto, what's up, man? How's your day going? What's your P&L at? And what's your favorite color? Excuse me, how do you approach channels? Enter after breaking a channel. I don't always enter after breaking a channel, but it just depends on the channel. Like, this actually a good example, the chart right here, of why you asked this. For example, this downtrend, this channel right here, this one got the break. I would enter over this bar, right? I'll mark it for you. I don't know if you can see that arrow. I'm going to circle it instead. Alright, that's a rectangle. So, I would enter right here under this candle because you had a downtrend. You get a break. EMA holds once, EMA holds twice. You're expecting a new extreme to be reached of this downtrend. So this is a good channel to enter after a break on, because you also see the 2 correction legs. Just like this. You see this first green leg up, pull back, second green leg up. That's a great, and then it fails. That's a great channel to enter on after the break. But if you have a channel something like this, I wouldn't enter on a channel like this expecting a new extreme, because you have to look at the legs in price action, and this is the second leg up. from this leg. So usually the second leg up is the attempt at a new extreme. So after this channel break, the first one, you can enter to expect new extreme here. But once you see this one going up, this is the last attempt by the bulls to work higher. So it could reverse at any moment. It looks like it's actually reversing right now. So I wouldn't enter after a break of this channel because this is the second leg up here. So only enter after a break of the first leg up. And you obviously want confirmations, or also you want more confirmations to enter. This is a really good example. You get the break, but you don't just want to enter because of the break. You want to wait for the correction phase to end. And usually you can tell a correction phase ends when you get these two legs in one direction and it fails at the EMA, at a key entry point. It doesn't have to be the EMA. It could be a trend line as well. But yeah, I don't know if that made any sense, but also not financial advice. I've never gotten a payout in my life, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. That's just how I think about the market. Who's throwing hundreds up in that chat? Appreciate you. I would like to see a nice lower high here. I'd enter in off of something like that. We've been live for an hour and 34 minutes and we're up $320. So that's a pretty good hourly rate, if I did have to say so myself. But they're all on eval accounts, so it's not real money. If we pass all 5 of these evals, I'll be very happy. There's that lower high we were looking for. It is just a little bit too low. It's not at the EMA. So I don't know if I want to take it, but cheers, my friends. Look at that strong push down, just like I thought. Thought we were gonna get another leg down like this. Strong one. Finally break even. All that hard work pays off, baby. Wooshi, what's up, man? How you doing? Good morning. Welcome to the live stream. How you doing today? I hate the way my hair looks, man. Look at this move down, man. It's happening again. Let's experiment with something like this. How's today? It's going well. I'm reading the market very well, but there's actually been a decent amount of entries, so I think it's going really well, actually. We're up 320, so nothing too out of the ordinary. We haven't really sweated any trades so far, so that's always a plus when you're not stressing out. And a couple of the boys have been through the stream, said what's up to me, so good morning so far. A breakout pullback pattern would be nice. I might have drawn this downtrend too early because this trading range resistance could be down here instead. So we might still be in the trading range. If we break lower, we're definitely not in the trading range though, so. This Celsius kind of tastes like a seltzer that has alcohol in it, but it doesn't. Very interesting. It tastes like something I'd drink on the golf course that has alcohol in it, like a White Claw or something. So it's kind of tripping out my my brain. Bear's definitely in control of the day still, so. As you can see, this second leg up was smaller than this first leg up, so the Bears didn't allow it to become even a measured move. They're aggressive today. They're ready to bite. Even right now, we're breaking below this support level, kind of. If this bar closes, I'm officially calling that we're in the downtrend, as opposed to in a trading range still. Oh yeah, look at that. Times like these, I wish I traded the Thomas Wade strategy still, but. Downtrend break, new extreme, two-legged correction. Downtrend continues. The Bears are here. What's up? What's up? How we doing today? What's up, Shiv? How's your day going? How are the trades coming together for you? And what time is it by you? I'm always interested. I was telling my other trader friends about you and how you told me it was 11:30 at night when you were trading, and we were all laughing. We were like, that's crazy. See if we can touch this EMA. Let me see if this is actually just more like one leg. No, it's past that, so. Looks like it's gonna be a red day. Not for us, but you know what I meant. I wish I could listen to my Spotify music for you guys. It's way better than this this work jazz playlist. Hold on, let me try to find. This one's called Early Morning Productivity Playlist. I don't know if it's gonna be any better, but I don't like this. Alright, this one's called Music for Work. It's a radio station. What is this, bro?
It's okay.
Someone just whispered in my ear. Yeah, I don't like this. Alright, this one's called Hypermind Music Limitless Productivity Playlist. Alright. Let's see what we're looking at. Hey! I don't like that at all either. Let's see what this one sounds like. Let's listen to this one. The last time I put this this music station on, it was all sad music. I wanted to like cry. But it sounds more upbeat now, so. Getting that EMA touch that we're looking for. Although it's only in one leg, so. Wait for a two-legged pullback and get some trades in. It's 9:40 here at night, and I'm not trading today. It's good to take some break days for sure. I'm sure you're almost ready for bed. Or settling down for the night. Or maybe not. Maybe you're about to go out and party. Who knows? But yeah, 7:40 is crazy. Let's see how this EMA reacts. I think we're definitely more of a downtrend now, so this could be a breakout pullback pattern along with a second entry short in this downtrend, so let's see how the market formulates. First entry short about to trigger. Oh, or not. I spoke too soon. Oh, I'm chilly, man. I got the trader chills. I got the trader chills. 11:16 a.m. is the time here. I thought it was later on in the day, to be honest. We're actually doing really well for how early in the day it is. It's only 11:16. We made $300 though. First entry short about to trigger, maybe. I actually like this station, man. This one's making me bob my head. First entry short triggered now. Whoa, what the heck? First entry short actually triggers. We have a short and uptrend working higher that we have to be careful about, because this trend needs to break new extreme before we can go short. News at 1 p.m. It's like we're kind of just chopping around this area for right now. Kind of going sideways now. Looks like there's some resistance being formed here. Very interesting. Here we go. Here's some momentum in the direction, in any direction. We got a push higher, tested the EMA. This is uptrend gets break new extreme right here, so short and uptrend has played out. It's gotten the break new extreme. I want to trigger above this bar just like that. And now let's see if we can get a rejection. That would be really cool. Because it'd be first entry short pullback, second entry short at EMA. But you do have to be careful because this could also just be one big uptrend like that, as opposed to just uptrend gets break new extreme. But since we are in a downtrend, I'm going to play it as the uptrend did play out. Looks like we're not gonna get it though. Close above EMA. Cool sign for the Bulls. Brother, what is your profession? Right now I am a waiter at, it's a place called Top Golf. It's basically like a driving range that serves food and drinks and all that stuff. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm just a waiter as of right now. I'm trying to make this full time, but we got a long ways to go before that. I want to be a full-time trader. I want to own some real estate eventually. I want to own a golf course. I love golf. I want to own a gym. What else do I want? That's about it. Those are my aspirations. But as of right now, I'm just a server. Although I do have off today, so. See if we can push below this EMA. I'm still leaning more towards the short side. I think the bears are still in control here. Future is yours, just work. Don't think about the result. I agree with that 100%. That is a great mindset to have. I wish more people actually had that mindset, to be honest. A lot of people just focus on the negatives too much, man, you know? You can't do that. If you do something every day, you're going to get better at it, no matter the results, so. I failed. I'm on account number 44 right now. I failed 40 accounts, but there's not a doubt in my mind that I can do this full time eventually, so. You gotta just manifest it, you know? A positive outlook on life and good energy does get rewarded, I promise. It just takes some time, you know? It just takes some time. Also, it's going to take some time for my hair to grow back. I feel like naked with this short hair. EMA holds there. That's a failed second entry short. Very interesting. You were watching me when I had 18 subs? I remember your name all the time from your comments, but I didn't know it went that far back. I appreciate the support, man. You give me a lot of motivation. Thanks. That's a very nice compliment. I appreciate that. I'm glad I can motivate you. It's always good to have people that you talk to and work with that have similar mindsets as you, that can really just keep you moving forward, you know? It's rough when you have people around you that have that negative mindset all the time, and they're just like, oh, you're not gonna be able to do that. You can't, why are you wasting your time doing that? I'm not a big fan of people who do that, but if you love something, go ahead and try to do it, man. I appreciate the support. This has turned into a motivational stream. I feel like one of those motivational speakers now. Negative emotions are actually addictive. They can be. You can just get into that cycle, you know, where you just... everything that someone says, you just think about the negative about it, and you just like, oh, that's never gonna work. Oh, why are you doing that? And some people are just cynical like that. They don't wanna believe that they can do anything that they put their mind to. And if you believe that, then you're never gonna accomplish anything. But I don't care if I'm 50 years old and I'm still doing this for 3 viewers right now. I'm still gonna do it because I like doing it. It brings me joy. Oh, I'm gonna extend this uptrend. Looks like we're working higher. The subs and all that's just the plus, you know. Discipline outworks motivation. That's very true. I was trying to think of the quote that I read. It's discipline and motivation go hand in hand, but motivation always comes first. And when motivation fades, you're gonna need that discipline to keep you going, because you're not always gonna be motivated, you know. There's gonna be mornings where you wake up and you're gonna be like, do I really want to do that today? And the motivation's gonna be faded, but you're gonna need to have that discipline to tell yourself, you know what? I have to do this, you know. I feel cringe saying all this stuff. I just snorted. It is kind of funny having a small YouTube channel though, because people will ask me what I do in the morning, like at my job or something. I'll tell them I was like, oh, I was doing my morning job, which is this. And they'll be like, oh, what do you do? And I'll be like, oh, I day trade and I make YouTube videos. And then they just go, they give you something like this. This is the reaction every time. They're like, oh. Like, they're just like, oh, that's not a real job. Like, you can tell that's the look on their face. It's funny. That's always the reaction. They go, oh, that's cool. Like, you can tell they were expecting something more like corporate. I always think that's funny. 200 EMA. Let's see if it holds. We're at this trend line, sorta. I might extend the range down if we break this trend line. Because it does look like we're going more sideways now. Let's check the 10K tick chart. It's like a slow and steady downtrend. Looks like we are going to break this trend line. This bar closes outside this trend line, I'm probably going to delete it and draw a bigger trading range with this as the trading range lows. Whoa, I had like a weird hiccup thing going there. Although that is a really good... Maybe I won't delete the trend line. Let's see if we can break through this EMA. Because I'm still thinking bearish, just because of the way that trend line just held. But I'm not too sure. I don't think I'm convinced. Another push up, trying to break through that 200 EMA. I think we're in more of a trading range. Let's see. Again, if one of these green bars push through this EMA and closes outside of this bigger downtrend, I'm probably going to delete it and redraw a trading range, because this uptrend is pretty big for a correction in a downtrend. I think this bar is going to be the one that closes outside the trend line. Or not. I'm trying to think, if I deleted this, it'd be more like it would be a trading range, that's right. Strong rejection. Now we're getting some action. Let me sit up straight. It might be go time, boys. If we break below this EMA. We're almost at day 100 on the road to 20 PAs. 20 more days. I had dreams about the 100th day on the video series when I first started. I thought I would be significantly farther ahead, but just goes to show you how hard trading is, I guess. I'm like a year in now, actually. February 8th was my 1-year anniversary of starting day trading. And I remember when I started, me and my friend would always be like, imagine 1 year from now. And now we're here. Not much progress, but definitely learned a lot, so. Definitely learned a lot. It was a learning year, you know? The profits will come. I really thought we were going to work a little bit lower there, but this uptrend is holding pretty tightly. I cannot tell which way this market wants to go at all. That's why I'm just chilling for right now. Yeah, it has a high probability to be bearish. It has head and shoulder pattern. I agree. I'm just waiting for it to reverse back down. This correction is really taking off, you know? Although I don't know what a head and shoulder pattern is. I'm gonna look that up real quick. Head and shoulder. Is that an ICT concept? I've never watched ICT at all. Oh no, I guess. Oh yeah. It literally looks like a head and shoulders. I see it now. Interesting. Oh. You learn something new every day. Look at that. This trend line is holding, or it's trying to. You can see these, the geometrical formation of these lower lows. It does look like it wants to work lower. We're just gonna have to wait for a break. Market really slowed down here. 11:38 now. See if you can break that low. Damn, it's already the 15th of February. We're halfway through it. That's crazy. We're reversing to the upside. What the heck? This market has no clue where it wants to go. Oh, never mind, it does. The bulls come charging in. I think I'm gonna change my analysis. Delete this. We're gonna ride with these as the range lows. And then extend this over. And now it makes a little bit more sense. You can tell we're back and forth through the EMA. The bulls come charging in. We got, yeah, it even looks more rangy on the 10K tick chart. Complete doji candle on the daily. Another very strong uptrend. We had this very strong uptrend. It seems like the bearish corrections today are really strong and really quick. Or not corrections. The bearish pushes are really quick and really strong. And then the bullish corrections are slow and they just kind of creep up, but they go on for a little while. We had this slow moving uptrend. And then every time we touch these range highs, we just shoot down hard. So sorry if it's been a little bit boring. It's been like an hour since I took my last trade, but yeah, it's been about an hour. Can't rush into anything, so we're just gonna be patient. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. We're just slowly creeping up there. Slow and steady. Oh, here we go. A little bit of correction coming in. My chart just shifted by itself. That's interesting. It's actually interesting too, because when I used to trade, making the YouTube videos, in moments like these, I would just watch YouTube videos of like random stuff, and it would really skew my focus. It wouldn't let me focus on the charts as much as I probably should have been. But now when I stream, I'm more locked into my trading, so I feel like it actually helps me stay in the moment, in the present moment of the chart for sure, as opposed to getting distracted on YouTube or something like that. Because I have found that I've made some pretty bad trades just when I was watching a YouTube video on this monitor, and I just look over super quick, and I'm like, oh, and then I'll jump into the trade, and it'll usually be a losing trade. So I think the stream helps me stay a little bit more locked in and dialed. Absolutely dialed in. Oh, I can't wait till we start getting crazy payouts and I can just put in the title 50K payout today on stream, and then people will just come in the stream. It'd be awesome. Although I feel like those people are, I mean, it's nice to have more people in the stream, but those people, they don't really want to learn how to trade, or they don't really want to trade legitimately, you know? they're just gonna join and be like, how did you get the money? Tell me how I get money. And I'm gonna be like, you have to trade. And they'll be like, how do you trade? And I'll be like, I don't know. I don't know, it depends. Tell me how you make money. Kind of in no man's land again. We're approaching these range highs, so you can't buy, but you can't sell because we're in a pretty decently strong uptrend. So you kind of just got to sit on your hands once again and be patient, which is boring, but it can't all be exciting in trading. Boring. So slow. The market is so slow. Everyone's eating lunch. Everyone on the trading floor at the stock exchange is just eating lunch right now. Oh, they just got done eating lunch. See if we can get an EMA touch here. I feel like that would be a pretty interesting. I would definitely probably take a long here. If the EMA holds nice, we get a good signal bar. I would not be opposed to it. But for now, we chillax. Finally breaking this uptrend. Here we go, some price movement. See what happens here. Close below the EMA, strong push down. Does the EMA hold? That's a very good trap bar. But also a very good rejection. I still can't tell what this market wants to do. This uptrend should get a new extreme, so we should get another attempt at pushing higher, but sometimes in trading ranges you don't even get that because the prices just flip over too easily. Sorry if this is boring, guys. said, I do not feel comfortable taking any trades right now, so. Sellers coming in hard. I think after that sell-off, I'd be willing to sell under a lower high retest of the EMA. Just probably like one time though, because we still could get a new extreme of the uptrend. See if you can push back to that EMA. I do want this new extreme to be reached. I think it'd be a pretty good trade to close above it, just like that. That looks actually really good. Let's get our buy order ready just in case. We could get second entry long. First entry long pullback. Oh, sorry about the yawn. I didn't get a whole bunch of sleep. I kind of stayed up past my bedtime last night. See if you get first entry long, second entry long at EMA. I want this bar to close above EMA. But it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Maybe I spoke too soon. 10 ticks till close. Closes below. Prices might be getting denied. Struggling to push up, but I think we'll be able to clear the EMA with this bar. Let's see. Let's get rid of this order for right now. Push. This music is making me sleepy. Strong rejection, it looks like. I'm still expecting it to push back above EMA and work towards a new high of this uptrend. Probably around, like, maybe even touch the resistance. It's just taking a while to do it, or it's just gonna go straight down. Leaning more towards the push-up, though. I need to sit up straight. My posture, bro. My posture. I'm gonna look like a hunchback. Oh. We're actually looking like we're about to close below EMA. Yep. It's almost 12 o'clock. We do have that news at 1. Looks like we're going to a little mini range. Price is breaking lower. See if this support holds. $1,200 ticks till close, so still a lot of ticks left on this candle. Looks like buyers are coming in at the support level. Need to push above EMA here. We also, first entry short was triggered from this low. You have first entry short, can push above the EMA, get a second entry short failure, which would also be a first entry long pullback, second entry long. So could be a 2-in-1 here. But we just need to get above this EMA first. 500 ticks till close. First entry long triggered. The 2-in-1 is now on the table. Let's close up here near the top of these highs. Great close for us. Now we just need to see a little bit of a retest, and then we can go long. A lot of people are going long right here, but they're longing it right into the 200 EMA, so it could still work, but it's not as high probability as waiting for the pullback of the second entry short. Buy limit ready. I don't trust it for a bit. I do not trust. Usually the market moves in pairs of twos, so you can expect to get one more attempt by the sellers to create a new low before it starts ripping up. Unless the bulls are super strong, but it's ripping though. It might just go without us. This is a really strong bull bar, but definitely want to wait for the more high probability stuff. See if we can get a retest. Struggling to work lower here. You just want to be careful long in here, because any minute you can get another attempt at making another red leg down, because that commonly happens in the market. So it's not, it wouldn't be that bizarre. And you want to think in probabilities when you're trading. It's probably more likely you're going to get a second red leg down or an attempt at it than just a straight push up to new extreme. But you never do know. Market can do anything at any time and prove you wrong. This is why trading is so fun. Here's that push down. If EMA holds and we fail to create a measured move, it'd be a good entry point. Trigger below this bar. All right, now it's first entry short, pull back, second entry short, and it could fail. Let's see. First entry long, pull back, second entry long as well. This is the 2-for-1 we were looking for. Close right on this EMA would be awesome. $100 ticks till close. We don't want it to move too far down. Second entry short does create some strong momentum. All right. And then again, this is that attempt at making that second leg. If we get a strong green bar that preferably pushes above this 200 EMA, that's going to be hold up. First entry long pullback, second entry long at EMA, and then first entry short pullback, second entry short failure, rejected by EMA. So let's see if we can work higher here. Because this uptrend still needs new extreme. Gonna get some sellers coming in at this 200 EMA, but after the initial jolt down, we should be able to enter. Here's that initial jolt down. Those are just sellers coming in at 200 EMA. If it continues to push higher, we can probably safely enter. $800 ticks till close. There's that jolt down from the 200 EMA sellers. If we close on its head, it'll be a really good entry point. So, but we need it to close high. 600 ticks till close. $300 ticks still closed. Needed to push up, close above EMA. This is a great bear trap bar, so a lot of people went short under this bar right here. 200 ticks still close. We need the bulls to push it higher. Come on. There it is. But we need the close. Who will win the battle? And that is a bad close for our trade. First attempt lower, pullback, second attempt lower. Usually sellers will throw into the towel after 2 attempts to sell in the same move. Let's see if buyers can come in here. If we get a trigger above this bar, I'm probably going to go long. It's 12:06. I heard that's the perfect time to make money. Alright, starting to pull away from our entry point, so we might have to abandon this trade. Still has 1,000 ticks left though, so, and there is support down here, so buyers might come in, push prices higher a little bit. First entry pullback, second entry short. If it does close green, it's going to have to close pretty high up here for us to take it. I don't want to take anything too close to the EMA. I want to see clear push up. And I don't think we're at 26 ticks till close. No, we're pushing down. I'm going to cancel this real quick. We're just going sideways. Market doesn't know what it wants to do. See what we get here. It just doesn't want to break out. So this is first entry short pullback, second entry short failure at EMA, and then first entry long pullback, second entry long. Sellers are going to come in at 200 EMA though, so cannot buy directly into that EMA. See if we can get a pullback and get filled here.
Order filled.
All right, and we're filled. See if we can keep working higher. I think we're gonna get new extreme with this uptrend, so.
Target filled.
It's 900 ticks till close. You don't want to buy too far into this. I think we're gonna get some pullback real quick. We're definitely gonna get some sellers coming in at this level. Wait for this bar to close. We're probably going to see a little red rejection real quick. Just because we're at a matching high, so. See if we work lower or if the bulls are too strong. Still expecting a little pop down. Oh. Looks like we're just gonna go. We broke right through this double tap just like that. Good for one scalp though, so. New extreme is reached, so we're gonna have to cancel our order. Probably gonna reverse up here at these range highs. We did get one out of it though, so one quick little scalp. Uptrend played out with break new extreme. Right? Yeah. I need to peek. I'll be right back. I'm sorry. Some interesting price action we have here. We just got the break new extreme of the uptrend. We did only get one scalp out of it though, but let's see what goes on. I'm probably gonna call it a day at 1 p.m. just because I do have some stuff to get done, and I got some errands to run. Usually I trade till 2, but I might cut it early today. Let's see, we should get reversal back to the downside now. At least that's what I think. Definitely don't want to buy too high up into this this range. Definitely start switching the gears to think about selling. Johnny, what's up, my guy? What's up, man? Seems like you're doing good today. Yeah, pretty chill day. It's pretty easy to read the market today for me, at least. So yeah, I'm doing good. Good day, good weather. A little chilly, but yeah, good P&L. We're up like 360 on the day, so pretty decent. Having fun. And a lot of people swung through the stream and said what's up, so glad to see you made it through. How's your day going? Have you traded? What you been up to? Had 2 good failed second entry shorts on ES, calling it a day. Nice. Any runners? Any crazy runners? See if I can see. Where we at? Failed second entry shorts. First entry short, second entry short failure. That one's a little sketchy. First entry short failure. Nah, I only trade 2 contracts. So you just scalp. You scalp for 8 points? Or 8 ticks? 2 points? Or do you scalp for 10 ticks? 10 ticks or 8 ticks? Or 6 ticks? Or another option? Just curious. Took failed second entry short to new high. I actually took that on the NQ too. I took a trade right here. It's a really good one. Yeah, from this low, you have first entry short, pullback, second entry short, failure. And from this high, you have first entry long, pullback, second entry long, with this uptrend needing new extreme and the range highs needing to be reached. It was actually really nice. 1 tick below ATR. Nice. Makes sense. 7. That's good profit though. I'm guessing you took this one right here. Your chart probably does look different. Like I said, I don't refresh my data or anything like that. But on the NQ, it was a similar setup, and I took it just like you did. So We took the same trade. Yeah, that was a good setup. Good context there, so. Did you watch the Thomas Wade video yesterday? Did you see if he marked your trade or not? I was thinking about it all night last night at work. Trying to push through these range highs. Interesting. He said it was confusing area, but he didn't mark it. Thomas Wade, man. He just always knows. I don't know. It's just funny how me and you think it's good, and he'll just be like, no, it's not good. It's confusing. Don't trade. Bad trader. I don't understand. There would be plenty of times where me and like 2 of my friends thought a trade was good, and we would watch the Thomas Wade video, and he'd be like, bad trader, not good area. And I'm just like, what? Do you play chess? I do not play chess. And I do not know what stockfish is. I'm sorry. My buddy plays chess, though. I'll ask him. I should probably learn chess. Seems like a fun game. Oh, I'm stretching the shit out of my arm right now. Ugh. Looks like we working higher. We should reject from these highs, but we'll see. I'm gonna DM my friend and ask him, do you know what stockfish is? Oh. Stockfish is an AI that tells you what the best move is. Sometimes pros can tell if a person is cheating while playing online chess because best move. That is a great comparison, actually. I completely agree. That man's just like a robot, I swear, sometimes. Thomas Wade, that's a really good comparison. I'll watch his videos and he'll explain, like, I don't know, he's just a trading robot. He has no emotion. He's crazy. It's like any other regular person would think that's a good trade, and then he'll be like, no, bad trade because whatever reason. I think it's for marketing purposes. It might be. Maybe. But now I know how to cheat in chess, so thank you. Let's see if this resistance holds. Looking to get 2 more scalps on this account. Probably call it a day after that. TBH. Mac never goes over losing trades. I've been confused so many times about like a chart or like a trading day, and I'll watch a Mac video and he just doesn't even go over that area of the chart. I'm just like, all right. Thomas Wade does. If he'll take a losing trade, he'll go over it, but You're right. I feel like they do it to attract the noobs to their courses for sure. They can't look wrong too much at the time, you know. I wonder what his win percentage is, Thomas Wade. It's probably really high. We should be reversing any minute now, but it looks like we're still going higher. I definitely don't want to take anything long, though. I feel like the movement to the upside has depleted for sure. But who knows? There used to be a guy that came into my chat, or commented on my videos, and he would always talk mad shit on Mac. I don't know why he was so mad at him, but I forget what his name was. He would get so mad over Mac's videos. Like, he would come to my YouTube channel and comment about Mac just to, like, vent. It was weird. I don't know. It was funny, though. He had a point. Tummy growling. 5 viewers, let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. Let me know how you're doing today. If you're swinging in, if you haven't been here before, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below. And let me know your P&L for the day. Why not? I like both of their strats. I just wish they show more losers. Yeah, I agree. I completely agree. I wonder if Thomas Wade actually shows all of his losers, and if he's actually just that good at trading, or if he's just doing it for marketing purposes. Who knows? Yeah, I'm not sure why he does that. I mean, you've watched my YouTube videos. I actually based my YouTube videos off of Thomas Wade's live trading videos. You know, the trade, you know, like how sometimes, like you're saying, he'll just show his live trades with, like, while they're open and when he enters and all that stuff. I liked those videos better than the videos where he doesn't go over his thing. So I literally just based my my YouTube channel off of his live trading videos, because I thought the ideal YouTube channel should show every single one of their live trades, as opposed to what he does, where he'll just go over the market for the day randomly and not show his live trades. But yeah, I guess we'll never know the reality behind it. We are working higher here, though, which is strange. I don't trust it for a second. Above the EMA on the 10K tick chart, though. And completely doji candle on the daily. Approaching open of day. I don't know what to think of this market. Holy green bar. Where are these bulls coming from? What I found when uploading the videos of all my live trades, my videos of me losing money actually did better. People I feel like people like watching the losing days more. Those are my videos with my most views. So I feel like it would be a better marketing strategy to just post all your trades no matter what. And yeah, when I was trading Thomas Wade strat, there was a couple times I was just like, how does he make money doing this? But I'm also a year in now, so I understand how it works. But like in the beginning, definitely could be confusing to a beginner trader. I always hated how my losing videos got more views than my winning videos. Leofi, what is up, man? I hope I pronounced that right. How are you doing today? You should reload your chart. I'm about to head out for the day, so I think I'm just gonna rock with this. But thank you for the recommendation. How are you doing? What's your P&L for the day, if you don't mind sharing with the chat? And I hope you're having a good one, man. Welcome to the stream. I don't recognize your name, so welcome in. I'm expecting more of a... We might get a rejection off this open of day and then it work back into the range, but we are working higher, undoubtedly now. We could have something like this, maybe. I'm so green today. Let's go. Me too. I'm up 400. Took 2 trades today. Nice. Always good when it's a green day, right? Nice, nice. Johnny took 2 trades today too. One of them is marked by Marco on his daily chart. Awesome. It's always nice when other people take the same trade as you. Makes you feel like you were locked in. I am wondering where we're gonna go next though. Let's see what these legs are looking like. Almost measured, not quite. I'm not gonna draw this until we get a nice EMA test and it holds pretty firmly. But maybe 2 measured legs up and back into the range like yesterday. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think we're gonna come back down. Plus the overall, it's been bearish for most of the day, kinda. It's been slightly more bearish, so I'm expecting some correction to the downside. I'm probably just gonna take a couple more trades and then head off for the day. I do got stuff to get done, unfortunately, but let's see what happens. I guess we couldn't quite break through the open of day, but Nice failed second entry long would be awesome. Actually, I'm going to keep this uptrend drawn. Not because I'm going to use it to take a trade. But if I do take a trade to the downside, I want to know where this trend line, the bottom trend line, comes into play. So. Excuse me. Ugh. My girlfriend got me a big ass bag of gummy bears for Valentine's Day yesterday, so I'm gonna eat some of them. A huge bag. It's like the size of my head. Since when you're trading PA? I'm not sure what you mean by that, but I'm trading evals only right now. These are not PA accounts, so we have to pass these. We don't have any PA accounts right now. But if you're asking when am I going to start trading PAs, as soon as I get the PAs, I'm going to trade them. So we'll see how long that takes. I know it is 1 day to pass evals right now. I am tempted just to try to just speed pass one, but I'm having too much fun streaming right now, so I think I'm just going to take it slow and steady and just enjoy my time with the accounts. Do you like putting them in the fridge? I've never done that before. I'm about to try, though. I'm going to put some in a cup and put some in the fridge. Are they good in the fridge? Do you... Oh, my gummy bears. I dropped them. I'm going to try to put some in the fridge real quick. Holy shit. Put a handful in there. Before I end the stream, I'm going to come back and try one in the fridge. We'll see if they're good or not. I did drop my whole bag, though. My mom puts a lot of candy in the freezer. She likes it frozen for some reason. Yeah, it makes them a little bit harder. I can see how that'd be good. You do the same thing? I'm trying to think what she likes. What does she put in the fridge? Twix and Snickers, yeah. That is good. Any like chocolate bars, really good in the freezer. But she'd put weird stuff in there, dude. I'm trying to think. NQ Beast, what's up, man? How are you doing today? Use some indicators. I don't oscillators are really nice. I try not to get too into that stuff. I try to just trade with the price action. My brain gets distracted too much when my brain gets distracted too much if I have too much going on. I got ADHD to the max. Show me your payouts. I have 0 payouts, so I don't think I can really say that. It'd be funny. When I get my payout, I'll be able to use that excuse or that comeback. I mean price action. Oh, you didn't mean PA count, you meant price action. I only trade price action, so that's all I've been trading since the day I started. Yeah, I don't use any indicators or anything like that. The only indicators I use are this blue EMA, 21 bar EMA, the yellow one's a 200 bar EMA, and then I just use the open, low, and high indicator, which is these green, yellow, and red bars. That's it. The rest I just draw trend lines and just kind of go by intuition. We are still working higher though. I was expecting a push back into this range pretty soon, but we just keep working higher. I feel like towards the end of the day, if there's like a trend in one direction or the other, it'll just slowly just continue in that direction. I don't know why. Are those your first evals? No. We are on eval 44 right now, so it's my 44th eval account. You've been through some shit. These are some of our first evals trading our new strategy though. We used to trade more like a patch strategy on the ES, but I switched over to the NQ. And now I'm kind of doing like a kind of a quick scalp with a really big stop loss kind of strat. And I've been liking it so far, so. Still kind of getting used to it though, so. But today's been pretty good. We're up 370, which is a decent amount. I could be way more aggressive with these. It's just, I don't know. I just kind of want to take them slow. Only enter where I'm just pretty positive where it's gonna, where I know that I have my edge in the market. Oh, I just dropped a gummy bear. This open of day should reject these prices, but especially with the trading range. If it pushes through the open of day, it's pretty safe to say that we got a stronger trend than we initially thought. Yeah, looks like we're working higher again. I might call the stream at 1 p.m. today. Just because it might be a little while till we get a correction back down to the EMA with the way this price is moving, and I don't see myself taking a trade until we touch the EMA again, so. If we're still like pushing the top end of this trading range at 1, I'm probably gonna call it. There is news at 1 though. There's important news at 1 actually. That's probably why it's so slow. Market's so slow. Market's so slow. We do kind of have like a double top right here around the open of day. The bears just don't want to come in and reverse the market, do they? Let's see where we're at measured move wise. Oh, wrong button. Perfectly at the measured move, so we should turn over any minute. But like I said, we got news at 1. People are probably waiting for the news announcement, to be honest. Damn. Pushing right. Oh, I just moved my. No. I'm in my trading range. There we go. Like we're just pushing higher. I don't want to buy anything. I hate the way our strategy like works and the brackets are set up. If I entered in right here, my stop loss would be like perfectly at the bottom of this trade, this uptrend, and trends always reverse to the other side of the trend all the time before they continue to go in the direction. So it would probably, there's a high chance of it stopping us out and then just continuing to the upside anyway. So we want to be a little bit more careful there. We sure are pushing higher. No corrections in sight. What the hell even is an oscillator? Ultimate oscillator. What? Well, let me apply it. Can't use it. I'm banned from using it. Maybe because it's time-based. I tried a tick chart, so... Wait, it won't let me do any of these. It won't let me do any of these. What the heck? Oh, because you have to double-click it. The ultimate oscillator. Oh yeah. I can see the market. I can see the market so much clearer now. Actually. Oh yeah. There we go. I don't even know what this means. If I'm being honest. Let's get rid of that. Finally breaking to the downside. Let's see what becomes of it. I want to see an EMA test. Here we go. Bro, I look like I'm going bald. We did hit the measure move, Johnny. We sure did. Perfectly. Perfect measure move. The perfect measured move. They said it didn't exist. I just want to see how this EMA holds now, though. We should get reversal back into the trading range. News in 10 minutes, so definitely want to be a little careful. But what if we get a perfect second entry long? Do we take it? I don't know. Measure move met. I don't know if the bulls got much left in them. Who knows? It kind of be hard to resist, though. Gonna be honest with you. That music just sounded really weird for a second. News in 9 minutes. We are testing the EMA though, which is awesome. This will give us the clues that we need to succeed. I want to see first entry long, pull back, second entry long, under EMA, failure, back into the range. That'd be awesome. That'd be at least a couple trades, because you know you should work down to at least the lows of this range. But will the uptrend stand true? Who knows? I'm sensing the trade coming on. My spidey senses. My trader senses. They're tingling. My trader senses are tingling. Oh, never mind. Strong push up, first entry long triggered? Maybe. Triggered. 2K on NQ is like a 5-minute, right? I think it's more like a 3-minute chart. But yeah, somewhere around there. You felt like the 1500 take on NQ was too slow? It's just towards the end of the day, man. Like, during this area, it's fast as hell. But to each their own. I like the 2K tick chart on the NQ. I think it works good. It is super slow right now, though. I think it's just because there's news in a minute. Or in 7 minutes. Because we got Atlanta Fed GDP now, Q1, at 1. And then we have Fed Waller speaks. So Mr. Waller is speaking at 1:15. I think that's why people are holding off for right now. But yeah, this is dirt slow. Dirt slow. What's today? Thursday? Damn, the weekend's coming up. And the weekend means no trading. I hate trading midday. Me too. I kind of just sit here for most of it. Like I mean, this is my last area where it really took off. I made like 3 trades right here. I made a couple trades. I think I made one right here. And then it just slowed down. I've just been waiting ever since. It's a long weekend. Wait, why? Why is it a long weekend? What's Monday? I have to check. First night of Ramadan? Is that why? Or is it St. Patrick's Day weekend? Is it because of St. Patrick's Day? Wait, that's March. I'm tripping. It's President's Day. Dude. No. I just said St. Patrick's Day was in February, bro. I'm an idiot. President's Day, dude. Damn it. Long weekends suck. Especially when you end on a red day on like that Friday. Oh, it's so bad. I think it's open half day. I don't trade that stuff. If it's a holiday, like the volume's gonna suck. I don't even bother with it, to be honest. I just take the day off. Yeah. Alright, let's see what Ime does here. We have first entry long triggered. From this high, you have first entry long. Pull back. Let's see what EMA does here. I probably won't take a second entry long. News in 3 minutes. So what I'm expecting here is a lot of people to be entering over this second entry long. And they're going to get excited and they're going to get trapped. They're going to get trapped into oblivion. And then we're going to exit on their stops. That's my goal. People don't realize that measured move was met. It was literally met. They're gonna get trapped. News in 2 minutes. Second entry long about to trigger. Should I take it? It's tempting. It's very tempting. This is the smoothest jazz I've ever heard that just came on. Ooh. It always does, Johnny. You think the news would come around when a setup's not about to form? No, they literally wait for the setup to form. Watch, it's gonna reverse back up. Perfect second entry long. It's about to trigger. But they're gonna get trapped. I'm leaning more bearish. News in 1 minute. Watch the news just not do anything. Close below EMA. Cool sign for our analysis. It's 1 o'clock. This is the news. Let's see what it does. So exhilarating. All right. Didn't do much. The big man does speak at 1:15 though, so maybe that's why people aren't. Not the big man. The big man's Jerome Powell. But Mr. Waller does speak soon. My prediction is 100% correct. Back to range. We go buy my course now on sale. $999. That's a steal. I'm buying the course. Everyone buy Johnny B's course. Make sure to use affiliate code Vegas at checkout. We are both selling out. I agree, though. I think we're going to get a failed second entry long here. Only $999? That's under 1,000. Second entry log triggered. See what it does. Use affiliate code Vegas for $2 off the first 10 buyers. So you're getting a huge discount. And you're getting inexpensive quality instruction. Should probably mark my it's breaking the trend. First entry long, second entry long triggered. I like this. Me likey. How did it affect you mentally when you were close to payout? It messed with my head. I tried to make more money because I knew the money was about to be tangible soon. I knew I was about to have the money. So I wanted to make more money. So it was really bad. Let's get that good red close. It's always so easy to go on tilt when being that close. It sure is. Hope it motivated you since you now know you can do it. It did, actually, especially since it was the first account that I traded with this strategy and I almost got to payout. It's insane. So imagine when I'm actually good with the strategy. I'm gonna be unstoppable. I'm gonna be a force to be reckoned with. Kinda like me with this trade right here. Not a great close, but let's see what this EMA does. Does the trend line hold? Who knows? I think we're going back into the trading range. How many confirmations? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, a couple confirmations. Working higher? This is a good trap bar. Everyone who wanted to go long is now in on their long trades. So if we get a quick reversal back to the downside, it's going to trap all those buyers. But that trend line did look like it held pretty nicely right there. So it's like a textbook trend line hold. Yep, trend line is holding. But let's see if we can trap some buyers. That's definitely some trend line holdage if I've ever seen it. Let's wait for a higher low confirmation, possibly. Maybe. Let's see one more test of that EMA. I think this is just buyers taking profits right here. Where did the buyers come from? You may ask. Who knows? Yeah, that's a pretty strong hold right there. Strong push above EMA. Bar just closed. It's a great close for buyers. I think we're going to continue to work higher in this uptrend. Waiting for a higher low confirmation wouldn't be a terrible bet. Because again, we only have one leg down. We only have this leg down, and usually it'll give it another attempt to the downside before a new extreme, because market moves in pairs of twos. You could expect first leg down, pull back, second leg down before you go back to the upside. But sometimes if the bulls are really strong, it'll just push straight through new extreme and keep working higher, which will let you know that the market is extremely bullish, but you won't be able to get in on any trade because you're waiting for the pullback. Watch us get new high before any pullback. I literally just said that. It's funny. But yeah, we might. A lot of buyers just came in there on the second entry long with the crappy signal bar. Here it is. New high. You said it. Bias course. $1,000 before taxes. Holy takeoff. That was a crazy push up straight through open of day too. Bias course, everybody. He makes the markets. LOL, I'm gonna make a new course. Last course was ass, prediction was wrong. Just make a new one. Just delete it and act like you're never wrong, like Mac does. Then people will buy your course. Super strong push up. Looks like this uptrend is still in play, and that we're officially out of this trading range. I'm gonna shorten it up and play this uptrend for the remaining hours of my trading day. I'm probably gonna call it pretty soon. I might watch for one more pullback before I call it a day. Let's see what we got. It really is a perfect trend line hold, though. Pretty rare you see trends this nicely fitting. It's like the perfect geometrical formation of an uptrend. I haven't seen one this nice in a while. Strong push up. We got the speaker in 4 minutes. Speaker in 4. I repeat, speaker in 4. Holy bulls, we are pushing higher. Speaker in 3 minutes. Crazy push up, just one swoop to the upside. Let's see what this speaker does. I might call it a day after that. This freaking lo-fi music makes me tired, man. I'm like yawning. I can't play my playlist though because they copyright striked me. Let's change it up. This one's called Neo Soul Lo-Fi. This one's kind of groovy. One minute till news. 1 minute till news. Fed Waller is now speaking. Let's see what happens. I don't know if anything crazy is going to happen, but... Alright, I guess not. Alright, well, on that note, we're far from the EMA. I don't see myself getting another setup anytime soon, so I'm probably going to call it a stream right there. Came out today, total of about $370 profit. We took about... Actually, let's see how many trades we took. We took about 8 trades. We won all 8 of them, so 8-0. Thank you for everyone who stopped through the stream and everyone who's still here. I appreciate it. I'll be back tomorrow with the Road to 20 PA Day 80 stream. Let me know in the comments on this VOD if there's anything that you would like to see implemented into the stream or anything that I can do better. I always appreciate the viewership. And there's one more thing I wanted to say, but I forget. Oh yeah, if you blew any accounts today or had a really shitty trading day, don't forget to use code APGHSMPI on your left-hand corner of the screen in gold text at checkout for your re-ups on accounts. Helps me out a whole bunch, gives you a 71% off discount and 20% boosted odds at passing your next account. So with that said, I hope you guys had a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another banger stream. Peace out. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hope you guys made $2 million today. Peace out. Have a great night.